Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Monday.com CRM for lead management, full guide step by step clearly. To get started with authorizing Monday.com CRM for lead management, open your web browser and navigate to the Monday.com website. Log into your account using your email address and password. Once you're logged in, locate the Manage Account option in the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on Manage Account to access your account settings. Within the Account Settings, find the Integrations tab and select it. In the Integrations section, search for the CRM features available. Click on the Add Integration button to begin the authorization process. You may be presented with a list of CRM options. Select the one that meets your needs. Follow the prompts to connect your existing CRM system, if applicable. Most integrations will require you to enter your CRM account credentials for verification. Once you provide the necessary information, click the Authorize button. The system will process your request and link your CRM with Monday.com. After successful authorization, navigate back to your main dashboard. To set up lead management, click on Add Board and choose Lead Management from the template options. Customize the board according to your team's specific requirements. Add columns for important lead information such as status, priority, and notes. You can also integrate other tools that you use for enhanced functionality. To ensure everything is set up correctly, test the integration with a sample lead. Make adjustments to your board layout as necessary for optimal lead tracking. Review your settings regularly to maintain smooth operation and data flow. By following these steps, you can effectively authorize Monday.com CRM for efficient lead management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.